Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to connect R36S to Wi-Fi. So this device doesn't actually come with Wi-Fi built in, as you see from here, despite what the box and listing say that it doesn't have Wi-Fi built in. However, you can actually add Wi-Fi using an external USB Wi-Fi dongle. So how to actually do that? There's this website, or you can actually go from anywhere to get this dongle. So this is the Wi-Fi dongle RTL8188FTV Type C OTG adapter for R36S. As see from here. You can actually buy it from anywhere, you can buy it from Amazon or anywhere else. So this dongle is actually compatible with R36H and S, also with R36 and R36 Plus. So this is how you can actually just add it like this. As you see from here, here's how it looks like. After that, you can just go to the options and you can just enter the Wi-Fi password as seen in the picture. As see from here, you can just go to Wi-Fi options, you can find your Wi-Fi, and after that you can enter Wi-Fi password using this dongle, and now successfully you have connected your Wi-Fi to R36S. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.